Hey guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial how to sign up of LinkedIn for the Android. And before that, I want to ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the start. First, we go to the LinkedIn application that you have been to install it before. Click on the LinkedIn. And after that, you can go to join now because you don't have about any for the account for the LinkedIn. Okay, click on the join now. Type about your first name and for the last name. And after you're done to type it, you can click the continue. Okay, and the second one, you can add your email or phone and click continue. Once about your password here, type about your password that you want to be including for your LinkedIn. And after that, type about the password here that you want to be including for your LinkedIn here. And after that, you can click agree and join. Okay, let's click the verify in the bottom of verify here. Pick the images that is the correct way up. Okay, and also the pick is the correct way up, and pick the correct. Search about location, that is have a Surabaya is Java, Indonesia, and I wanna click next. If you are a student, you can slide until has the green one here. If you are done of the part of student, you can slide until has a black one. Okay, you can type here most job, recent job title, MS administrative clerk, employment type about the full-time, you can click the full-time if you want to, and the part-time if you want to, and you have another part-time here, self-employed, freelance, contract, internship, apprenticeship, the seasonal. I want to click the full-time, and the most recently about the editors, Amazon, Apple, AT&T, about, and blah blah blah. You can search about here. You can search in the upper of the bar. And if you're done, you can click next in the below. Skip for the photos and enter the verification code. We send verification code to blah 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 for the email. Okay, let's check the email. Go to the Gmail first. Okay, this is the verification code. Okay, go to the LinkedIn again and paste and click next here. And now you can LinkedIn give you about the option for you. And now LinkedIn will give you about the option that are you looking for a job or not. Are you looking for a job right now? I click yes here and click the I'm open to remote work, and after that you can click next. Okay, you can click next again, and you can click next again, and now you has an account for your LinkedIn for your Android. Let's see about the symbol in the upper of the left corner, and this is your account. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to sign up the LinkedIn for your Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.